Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to install a few things that we'll use in our intermediate Python course. I assume you have already installed and configured Python and VSCode. If you haven't, I'll include the link in the description so you can get ready for this course. But if it's your first experience with Python, I strongly suggest you to follow the entire beginner tutorial. I'll also include the link in the description. So, let's open a browser and let's search for Git. Click on Git, download for Windows, and click here to download. Now click the exe file. Yes. Next. Next. Yes. Next. Next. Change this in Use Visual Studio Code. Next. 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 And install. Anyway, Git is a very useful open source program for managing changes in your code. And now we are going to create a GitHub account, which is useful for hosting your code online, collaborating with others, and sharing your projects. Uncheck and finish. Open a new tab on your browser and search for GitHub. Click on the first link. Sign up. And start your registration. Now enter your email, password, and choose a username. Then complete your registration. Remember to select the free account. And once you are done, you should have an account like this. This is mine. And now, let's open VSCode. And let's install some extensions. Of course, Python has to be installed. Then search for Jupyter and click on Install. Then search for SQLite and pick SQLite Viewer. And then Rainbow CSV and install. Now you are ready to start this intermediate tutorial. I suggest you to watch the beginner tutorial as well to fully understand this one. So for this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.